Hi everyone, it's Claire Smith here, your VPHU, to have a chat about what's happening with the UCU strikes. The UCU, the union that represents university and college teaching, research, technical and professional services staff, is asking its members whether they are prepared to undertake strike action. This is called balloting for a strike. The ballot will decide if there is a strike or not. Each branch of UCU has to get over 50% of the vote in order for it to pass. It closes on October 30th, so we find out soon after that if it's passed, and then the UCU has 6 months after that to act. So we might not know immediately when a strike will take place if it does pass. Now, there are 2 ballots open which address 2 different issues that UCU members want to change, and different UCU members can vote in each one. One is about pay, workload, casualisation and equality, and the other is about USS pensions. The first ballot is simple to explain. UCU members are overworked, they're facing 0 hours and hourly paid contracts, racialised and gendered pay gaps, and on top of this, the value of their pay has gone down 20% since 2009. These conditions really bite for postgrad students who can join the UCU. When NUS surveyed postgrad teachers, almost 1 in 3 earned below the minimum wage, taking into account the amount of hours they had actually worked. The other is the one that has had more headlines, USS pensions. In 2017, USS announced that there was a $7.5 billion deficit in the scheme's finances, and so they would raise the amount that normal staff had to pay in. But even though they paid in more, they'd get the same amount of money at the end. This isn't how pensions are supposed to work. There's a lot more detail on how we got here in our briefing, but for now you need to know that USS trustees, who have the responsibility for the pension pot, have refused to compromise with new proposals that both sides of the dispute agreed with, and so still propose to increase staff's pensions contributions without them seeing the benefit. So that's what is going on with the strike ballots, and why UCU members are getting out there to vote yes. We're supporting them at NUS because we think that we're stronger together, and we'll only get the sort of education and workload we want to see by building a mass movement. Join me next time when I'll be chatting about why striking works and how you can make your mind up on campus.